This is, I think it's 800, 808 Penn Avenue.
Press the down button.
810 Avenue.
810.
These dials. Maybe that doesn't work. Press that. We'll demonstrate that one.
What kind of elevator is this?
Haughton.
Haughton?
Let's go up to 8.
Locked. Try another floor.
Oh, here we go. We may stop at 6.
Yeah, it's not good. 6 is the highest open.
Yep.
These are Haughtons?
Yes, they are.
Look at that. How long this takes to level?
Nice.
Send it back down to the lobby.
Oh, that works. Is my door closed?
Check the phone box. Cool, and there is a camera in here.
There's 2 cameras in here.
Where?
Right here.
Oh,
1,
yeah. 2, 3.
3 cameras.
1, 2, 3.
This is 810 Penn Avenue. We'll send it up to 6 so we can watch that dial.
Yeah, we'll watch the dial. I'm not going to worry about riding the other elevator.
It's probably the same. Here we are. And there's a Jared.
Hi.
There we go.
And let's watch this go up.
Oh, cool.
That's
Look
really
at that. That is original.
Yeah, it's not the electronic, it's the actual.
It's attached to the selector.
Yep. Just kind of squeaks.
Watch it slow down with the elevator.
I just hope this isn't copyrighted music.
And it's leveling.
Yep, there it's leveling. That's really
That's cool. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.